Hello, this is Jessi from Radionode. We are going to introduce you to an example of using a Radionode for food hygiene and safety in a food factory. Many food accidents like food poisoning could occur due to neglect of hygiene management. Worstly, death may occur. So, food hygiene management is very important these days. How do developed countries manage food hygiene? There are several international organizations like Codex, WHO, and FAO that have recognized HACCP as the most effective and efficient food safety management system, and are actively recommending the application of HACCP to all food industries. The critical control points mentioned by HACCP may be slightly different for each type of food, but there is an important management point that must not be missed anywhere. Can you guess what it is? The answer is temperature. In particular, meat processing companies are managing it more strictly. If you have to pay attention to a lot of things by yourself, such as temperature management of numerous refrigerators and warehouses, high labor costs are required. The other way, if you bring an automatic control system in your workplace, it has a huge cost structure to maintain. If you're looking for a more simple temperature monitoring solution, subscribe Radionode 365 to discuss your next project with us today. Radionode 365 offers complete and safe data storage for 3 years. Collecting the recorded data, it makes automatic daily, weekly, and monthly reports and sends them to you by email. In addition, in the event of an unexpected incident, we immediately send warning notifications via SMS or voice phone call to the administration when set ranges exceed. Why do people prefer the Radionode T2TS model in food factories? Firstly, it is designed to be waterproof and dustproof for food factories where disinfection and cleaning occur frequently for hygiene. Secondly, it guarantees the precision of temperature. Thus, you can trust and use it because regular calibration is available. Third, the initial installation cost is very low because it operates with a battery. Lastly, in the event of a wireless communication failure, the measured data is stored in internal memory and sent back to the cloud when the internet is available. If you use the RN400 T2TS model and Radionode 365 service, you can build a hygiene safety system at a lower cost. We believe that Radionode IoT Sensor and Radionode 365 Cloud are the cost-effective solution for the food industry. Please visit our website to learn more price plans. The reason people observe the hygiene and safety of food is not only the issue of regulation, but also human rights for safe food. Radionode team is very pleased to be able to contribute the human right for safe foods. Thank you for listening.